Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the AI driving trend on TikTok without TikTok and without CapCut. So for that, you need a third-party app called Pixverse. So go to your Play Store or App Store and download this app, Pixverse. Okay, then what you can do? Okay, this is the app Pixverse. Open it. Okay, register the app. Every day you will get 60 points. So this is the template. Write my post. Tap on it. Okay, now tap on use template. Okay, let me browse the picture from my camera roll. Okay, let me go with this one. Now tap on create. It will take 20 credit. Anyway, you are getting 60 credit every day. Okay, wait for it. Okay, it will notify when it's ready. Okay, it's ready. Let's view. Okay, now I'm writing my course. And you can tap on the share button and you can share it to your TikTok or Instagram. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.